Vinyl window installation in Houston, Texas is a top choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient solutions. With a variety of vinyl windows Houston options available, residents can enjoy the benefits of reduced energy costs and enhanced home comfort. Vinyl window experts in Houston provide comprehensive consultations to help you select the best vinyl window styles for your home. Custom vinyl windows in Houston offer personalized designs to match any architectural style. Whether you prefer double-hung vinyl windows or unique vinyl window frames, Houston vinyl window contractors can create the perfect fit for your home. Vinyl window specialists in Houston are dedicated to delivering high-quality custom solutions that meet your specific needs. Energy-efficient vinyl windows in Houston are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round. By choosing vinyl window upgrades, you can significantly reduce your energy bills while enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal. Vinyl window suppliers in Houston offer a wide range of energy-efficient options to suit any budget. Affordable vinyl windows, Houston provide excellent value without compromising on quality. With vinyl window deals and discounts available, homeowners can enjoy top-notch window replacement services at competitive prices. Vinyl window offers in Houston make it easy to upgrade your home without breaking the bank. Vinyl window replacement in Houston ensures that your windows remain in optimal condition. Whether you need minor replacements or complete window replacement services, Houston vinyl window contractors are equipped to handle all your needs. Vinyl window maintenance in Houston is essential for prolonging the lifespan of your windows and maintaining their performance. Vinyl window solutions in Houston are tailored to meet the diverse needs of homeowners. From vinyl window designs to vinyl window features, Houston vinyl window experts provide a range of options to enhance your home's curb appeal. Vinyl window consultations in Houston help you make informed decisions about your window investments. Vinyl window frames in Houston are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. With a variety of vinyl window styles available, you can choose the perfect frame to complement your home's design. Vinyl window benefits in Houston include improved insulation, noise reduction, and increased property value. Vinyl window quotes in Houston provide transparency and peace of mind for homeowners. By obtaining detailed vinyl window quotes, you can compare prices and services to find the best vinyl window contractors in Houston. Vinyl window specialists in Houston are committed to delivering exceptional service and value. Vinyl window features in Houston include advanced insulation technology and customizable designs. With vinyl window options in Houston, you can select the perfect combination of style and functionality for your home. Vinyl window styles in Houston range from traditional to contemporary, ensuring a perfect match for any home. Vinyl window discounts in Houston make it easy to upgrade your home with high-quality windows. By taking advantage of vinyl windows Houston offers, you can enjoy significant savings on your window replacement project. Vinyl window deals in Houston provide exceptional value for homeowners looking to enhance their home's energy efficiency and appearance. Houston vinyl window installation is a seamless process with the help of experienced vinyl window contractors. From initial consultation to final installation, Houston vinyl window experts ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience.